one thing I give to Jamaicans is that they jump on every opportunity. Whoa. So guys, I just have to come on real quick to talk about this because I am in shambles. So a hotelier, Jamaican at that, decides that he is going to jump on the bandwagon and say, yeah, I'm going to offer Shacarri dead last, an all expense paid trip to the beautiful island of Jamaica. I mean, I don't know. I feel like it was a publicity stunt, but let's get into it because I have the article right here and it's literally causing such a big stir. All social media platforms, and of course, our newspapers had to carry it, and now everybody has something to say. So let's get into it. So this is from a renowned Jamaican newspaper, and it reads, after spurting to last place behind the trio of Jamaican sprinters in a hyped clash in Eugene, Oregon on Saturday, Shacarri Richardson has been offered a complimentary vacation to the island as an olive branch. Olive branch indeed, because I don't know what kind of meds them on, but this seems to be like one person saying, yes, I want to bridge the gap because I see where I can get some kind of eye on my place, so let's try this publicity stunt. It's nothing more than that, because I know persons are wondering, like, where is this place, who is this person, and why. But they say Jamaica, so brand Jamaica is in the mix. And yeah, so let's read more. Richardson engaged in a post-race triad to journalists after being whipped in the 100-meter by eventual winner Elaine Thompson Herah, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, and Shericka Jackson. Guys, don't forget Brianna, because Brianna still beat her. For what it's worth, you guys have to put in Brianna. I don't rate that at all. So the hotelier is Delroy Allen. I know everybody's going to be looking him up now. He's the managing director of Tacoma Boutique Hotel. Now, I live in Jamaica and I go to hotels and I've never heard of this place before. So, he gets eyes on his hotel. Maybe people are going to now stay there, maybe not, but it's worth a try. He did good, and he was resourceful in jumping on this bandwagon. That is Shacarri Richardson. He extended a complimentary 1-week all-inclusive vacation stay for the American sprinter, whose 30-day suspension excluded her from participating in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. I thought that was also unnecessary because everybody don't know what's happening, but I guess they have to meet a word count or something. Delroy Allen, the hotelier, who is based in Boston in the USA, he's not even in Jamaica, and boy, I tell you, from Mount Zion, views Richardson as a talented but troubled athlete in deep pain. What? You know the girl? Like, she don't got nothing about you. Like, and you're going to see later on why I said that. She is desperately in need of spiritual and emotional renewal, he said, after the vacation offer was the Christian thing to do. I don't know where Delroy Allen finds these things to say, and I don't know what his PR team is telling him. I mean, like I said, it's a good move, but at the same time, like, she seems fine. She just seems very arrogant, and it just rubbed up people the wrong way. And call a spade right now. She's quite fine. I know of the challenges that athletes sometimes face, and it is in the spirit of goodwill for her healing and restoration that I am making this offer. We know why you're making this offer, sir. We know why you're making this offer. Don't play. You realize that it's trending because I don't see nobody offering some all expense paid vacation to our Jamaican athletes. Let me call a spade right now. But yeah, it's because of all this. Shacarri was trending. She she broke the internet really. So he adds that we are a forgiving people and the right and human thing to do is to push the unfortunate comments aside and help this lady find her feet. I don't know the person. I have nothing against her. But I believe that the way in which she handled the situation at the end was like, she could have done better. Like, honestly, she could have done better. And yeah, so that's about it. That ends the article. I've seen on social media where, you know, I didn't go on her page, but I've seen other persons say that it looks like Shacarri has denied the offer because she literally posted on her story, you know, rafting and in Jamaica, and she hashtagged it been there done that. So, you know, in the true spirit of how she stay, I don't think she has any plans of coming to Jamaica on that offer. So she just literally took it up and dash it back in your face, Delroy. I mean, I guess, you know, maybe it's genuine. Maybe he was like, you know, maybe this will help her to you know, rejuvenate or whatever. But yeah, Shacarri seems to be fine. She seems to be unbothered and she seems to be fine up in America. So just leave her alone. Like, this is the point where you just leave her alone and leave her to her own devices. She has literally caused a stir up in the world and you know, she chose to spin it the way she did. So I just suggest you just leave her alone at this point. If she wants to come to Jamaica, if she wants to go anywhere she wants to go, like, let her do that. Don't outstretch your arm to somebody that is not in need. I mean, you can offer, but she don't have to take it, and it looks like she's not going to take it. So that's all I have to say on that. That's that on that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a comment down below what you think. Do you think Shacarri handled it the wrong way? Did you think Delroy should have offered in the first place? Just tell me what your thoughts are. I am very interested to find out. Guys, if you have not subscribed already, I'd love for you to join the family. We're growing and glowing, and I love to see it. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh wait, my OG subscribers, thank you because you have literally made my whole year. Okay, so stay tuned for the next one. Bye. Where you